exercise. Okay, for third exercise you are going to take two color pencils. Okay, so I am going to take out one, that is extra now. Two color pencils you are going to take, different color pencils, two in number. Two square sheets of paper for third exercise, one hardboard square in shape, you can see. And now you will, the child is holding the tray and you are shifting all these things into the tray. And now from the metal inserts, what you are going to shift here? You are going to take only one inset, okay? That can be of any type, that can be quarter foil, that can be pentagon, that can be oval, but one at one time you have to place here, okay? So I am going to take this one, I am going to place it here. Okay. After placing it, I will make the child to hold it and to place it here on the right side of the mat, and then I will make the child to sit on my left side. I will place the hardboard in front of me. Then I will pick up one paper. I will place it here. After placing it here, I am going to pick up with my right hand inset, and I am going to set it here in the center of the paper. Okay, in the center of the paper, I will set it here. Now with my holding color pencil and holding the inset with my left hand. Okay, keeping pencil in upright position, I am going to trace inset. Okay. After tracing, you are going to place it in the tray, and now holding the other color pencil, you are going to draw lines. In the third exercise, we are going to introduce the child lines. In the beginning, you are going to draw the lines in horizontal direction, okay? And from left to right, you are going to draw lines. Again, in the beginning, to make the work easy for the child, you are going to give the child drawing of minimum lines, okay? You can start with 2 to 3 lines, okay? In the beginning exercises, you will draw 2 to 3 lines, and with distance. These should be drawn with distance, so it will make the child's work easy. Zigzag lines I am going to draw here, keeping an eye contact with the child. I am going to stop here at the edge of this shape. Yes. You are going to start the work giving the child from top to bottom. I will give you, the same exercise for that purpose, and that is the exercise number 6. Okay, so you have to wait for that. This is exercise number 4. Okay, keep on giving the child lines, okay, initially with gap at distance, and then you can add drawing straight lines in vertical direction as well as with horizontal, okay. Horizontally you begin the work with the horizontal lines, and then you are going to give the child also in vertical directions, top to bottom. Straight lines will be drawn from top to bottom. Every time you will start from top and you will leave at bottom. You will stop at bottom, okay. So in this way you will give the child the same work as the child will start with drawing the lines with distance, and then he will reach the perfection of drawing lines, and he will about to fill the shape with straight lines. With the help of straight lines, he will be able to fill up the whole shape. Okay, next word. For next exercise, again you are going to take two square sheets of paper, one for child, one for you. Okay, as every time you have to keep two, one for you, one for the child. Okay. Then for exercise number 5, you have to take one hardboard, two square sheets of paper, and now you can take 3 color pencils, and or you can take the whole holder, okay, and a holder of pencils you can have here, and many pencils can be kept in that, but minimum 3 color pencils should be there in the holder. For exercise number 5, 2, this time you are going to take two inserts, okay, you are going to take two inserts. I am going to take another one. Okay. You have to take two insets. Like this. After shifting the material into the tray, make the child to place the material on the tray on the right side of the mat. The child will sit on your left side, having an eye contact with the child. Place the board in front of you. Place the paper sheet, square sheet, on this board. Then you are going to take inset, okay? You are going to take an inset. You are going to fix it here in the center. After setting it here in the center, you are going to draw its outline with a color pencil. After tracing this, you are going to place it back in the tray. Now you are going to hold this one, the other inset. You are going to set it on the shape that is previously drawn by you. Okay. Take another color pencil, and by setting it on the shape, you are going to draw it. Okay, after drawing this, you are going to place it back. You are going to keep in your mind, okay, you have to remember this, that which shape you have drawn first. Okay, which shape you have drawn first? I have drawn circle. I have drawn this one first, and then I have drawn this one. So it is there in my mind. Now I have to show the child how to fill these two shapes. Okay, the maximum portion of the circle shape is overlapped, is covered by this one, okay, by the pentagon. Pentagon has covered the maximum portion of the circle, and now the circle, maximum portion of the circle is hidden under the pentagon. Pentagon is at the top, that is why that is fully visible. What type of lines we have to fill up the shapes, because in the previous knowledge of the child has learned to fill up the shapes with the help of lines, which were initially he did the work with zigzag lines, and then he did the work with straight lines, and now he has mastered to fill up the shapes with the help of lines which are zigzag and then straight lines. Now you are going to give the child filling of any shape. Okay, exercise number 6. The last exercise of metal inserts. You can make any pattern. You can draw any इनके shape like vase. इनके can be इनके drawn here or इनके any scenery scene of इनके natural scene can be drawn according to your own choice. I have decided here to draw a vase. So I am going to put inset and then I am going to draw its outline. In the manner of folding but keeping in upright position. Okay. Now you are going to place it here back. Then you are going to pick up any other. Okay. For leaves, I am going to take this one. Okay. For leaves, I am going to put it on the vase. I am going to cover some area of the vase with this inset. Okay. Then I am going to draw the outline of this inset. Okay. Next again I am going to, for drawing leaves I am going to take oval and then ellipse. Another one. Okay, after drawing my leaves, I am going to draw flowers. Using another color, again I will draw another flower. And after drawing all these shapes, then you will start coloring. And using the method of coloring, you will give the child here coloring of these shapes. Okay. In the vase, I am going to color. I am going to use brown color. Okay. I will fill up the portion that is visible. Portion of vase that is visible. Okay. And it is a very minimum portion that is visible. Having an eye contact with the child, keep on doing this. Very careful. If you are going beyond the lines, that is error. This is the only area that is visible of a pentagon, okay, and all the other rest of the portion is hidden under ellipse shape, under oval shape, okay. So the leaves have covered maximum area of the vase, and this minimum area that was visible I have filled up with this color, and I use the color technique, okay, coloring technique. Next, now you are going to fill up leaves, okay, and I am going to start from this point. Near the outline we have to be very careful, near the outline of the other shapes, okay. Error can come here, that is why slowly coloring should be done on these parts. That is visible you have to fill up, and the portion that is hidden under the other shape you will not cover that, you will not fill that because that is hidden.